moderate, Dave?
Well,
Do we have a basic question? Okay. Hello. This,
Hello, is this Peter?
it is, and you're Kent.
I am Kent Hovind, yes, sir.
Wonderful.
Where are you at, Peter?
Where am I? I'm right here beside the telephone.
Okay, good. Sound like you're on Mars.
Might as well be for the communication we're doing. Yeah, it's good.
Well, good. Anyway, yes, how can I help you? Hal's been emailing me a couple times, said he wanted me to call and talk to you about the creation-evolution issue or something to that effect, so...
Right. And you have some ideas, and I have some ideas. I understand that you are you have a background of being a science teacher, correct?
Yes, sir. High school science, 15 years.
Okay.
Biology, earth science, and physical science.
Okay. And I've seen a little bit of your lecture work on YouTube, so I have a sense of where you're coming from. I, on the other hand, am not a scientist. I'm a lawyer. I know just enough about all kinds of things to really qualify as quite ignorant, but I'm imaginative too, and I've got a good public school education, and I, from my perspective, I have to say, and I sent you some questions that may give you a sense of that. I don't know how. Would you like to moderate, Dave?
well,
Do we have a basic question? Okay. Do you have a question for me, Kent, or
Well, yeah, I guess... I can clearly define my position, if that will help, and then
Sure.
you know what exactly you don't agree with.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I don't know. I look at it, I guess, from a scientific perspective and say, okay, the world is incredibly complicated. There had to be a designer. We don't see anything in any order of magnitude, as far as order, come about naturally. You know, nature tends to bring chaos over time. Things fall apart, degrade, degenerate. They don't improve and increase in complexity and order. So, as a scientist, I...
can I ask a question?
Sure, sure.
Is that exclusively the Word of God as you look at it, or is that one expression of God?
In the records.
So that the people will know about it.
Right. So I think God, if God is going to be our judge one day, and I believe He is,
Okay,
For
I'd like to focus on this too, because it's my understanding that your belief is that that the Earth is only some 6,000. Is that correct? Years old?
correct. Oh, universe, sun,
The whole
moon, stars,
yeah.
everything.
Okay. So you don't think that carbon dating actually is an accurate measurement form?
Well, shit.
They took living penguins from Antarctica, still alive, carbon dated them.
Let's take something that I think every person can have a better grasp of without the need for an understanding of carbon dating. I've climbed Mount Wachusett many times. I've climbed in the White Mountains. We see a lot of bedrock, granite, what the Earth is made of, and we see the erosion that occurs, and we see that erosion is an immensely slow process.
Oh, fuck.
What type of law do you do?
I do criminal defense, same as Dave.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, you need to read 2peter3.com. Read what happened in my case. It'll blow your mind.
Well,
Anyway. This, of course, wouldn't hold up 2 seconds in a court of law. So, Your Honor, you don't know these two are
Well,
really...
they are very different steps off the phylogenetic ladder. But let me ask you this, Kent: do you believe or disbelieve that that North America and Northern Europe were once covered by very vast glaciers?
No! God, please, no!
You know Mount Monadnock?
They only move in response to gravity.
Right.
And if they're not on a hill, they don't move.
You know Mount Monadnock in New Hampshire?
I've only drove up here in handcuffs, so I didn't see that one. But
Okay, and it's called Mount Monadnock because a monadnock is a geologic term for a typical shaped extrusion of rock that is left after glaciers have been in an area. Are you familiar with that?
Yeah, I'm 12 and a quarter miles from Mount Washington. I can see that every day as I step outside.
I don't know that that's a monadnock. So what you're saying is glaciation did happen very rapidly, much more rapidly than our science today believes. And I guess we have to leave it that that I still stand by the very slow, in almost all cases, movement of the glaciers and the slow carving away of the lands. Yeah.
Whales are mammals, okay? How do we know that they're mammals?
get with Hal, set one other time. Let's do this again, all right?
All right. Take care.
Hey, thank you so
Thanks.
much. All right, bye-bye.